how to open a real account on Metatrader 4. Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you the ways to open a real account on Metatrader 4. So due to some security concern, I won't be able to show you the interface, so I'm just gonna instruct you. First of all, you need to visit your broker's website, and in the account section you need to find the section that says live trading options, and then go ahead and select Metatrader. As you do that from the platform section, now choose a trading account type with the condition best suited for your trading needs, and read and accept the broker's terms and condition and risk disclosures. You can start creating your account. So in order to create your account, you have to provide in your personal details, contact details, your ID verification and all that, and accordingly you'll have successfully registered for a real account on Metatrader 4. That's how you can open a real account on Metatrader 4. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.